What's up guys, this is Mike at Get Lowered to walk you through an easy installation of the Custom Dynamics ProBeam taillight on our Harley Softail. We added the square back smoke version of the ProBeam taillight to the Softail, and the process took a total of less than 5 minutes. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing the stock taillight by unscrewing the 2 screws and set them aside for installing the LED taillight. Then unplug the taillight connector from the terminal block and the taillight base. Next, you'll install the included gasket by first removing the white paper from the back and then attaching it to the taillight base. After that, you'll plug the amp connector into the same terminal block as you removed the stock taillight from. On the Softail, it's the top terminal. Place one of the included nylon washers on each screw to prepare for installation. To ensure a proper fit, tip the top of the taillight downward so that the top of the assembly goes under the lip of the taillight base. Once you have it in position, tighten both the left and right screw equally until the taillight is fully installed and the screws are snug. Make sure not to over-tighten the screws. And that's it. Let's take a look at the difference between the stock taillight and the new ProBeam taillight side by side. The ProBeam is also available in a low-profile version with either smoke or red lens with fitment for 99 to current Harley models. Like every product we sell at Get Lowered, the ProBeam ships fast and free anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the section below. This is Mike from Get Lowered. See you next time.